Hi everyone, I'm Joanna with Tulip Medical Products. At Tulip, we aim to turn learning into practice. Our See and Do Master Bundles combine expert-led training with the precision tools to bring those techniques to life. Today, we're taking a look at the Marten See and Do Master Bundle. Crafted in collaboration with Dr. Timothy Marten, a leading name in refined fat grafting facelifts with nanofat. With this bundle, you'll get access to 2 instructional videos from Dr. Marten. In these videos, you'll learn about his approach to facelifts when it comes to fat grafting and about his approach to periorbital fat grafting. You'll also be able to implement what you learn using the same instruments included in the set. Inside, you'll find a complete set designed for facial sculpting, a tumescent infiltrator, specialized harvesters, multiple microinjectors of varying sizes, a V-dissector, the nanofat set with 2 packs of sterile cartridges, plus a starting supply of consumables. The real value comes in the learning journey. So don't wait to visit tulipmedical.shop and explore the tools and training in each See and Do Master Bundle. Thank you for taking a look inside the Marten See and Do Master Bundle with Tulip.